Hey everyone, it's Kenji. We're gonna make some ALTs. They're kind of my signature sandwich, if you know what I mean. It's basically a BLT, but instead of bacon, we're using avocado because avocado is sort of like, you know, nature's bacon. I guess bacon is nature's bacon. Avocado is like nature's butter. Is butter nature's butter? I don't know. Anyhow, we're doing shokupan toasted here. Kewpie mayo, plenty of it. You can use whatever mayo you like. If you want, you know, I have a video showing you how to make your own mayo. That's really good in a sandwich like this. Last time I put out a video a few weeks ago just making a tomato sandwich where it was just mayonnaise and tomato and salt on a sandwich. And some people accuse me of putting out low effort content. To which I say, fair enough. This is a low effort lunch. You don't have to watch it. All right, mayonnaise. We're gonna do avocado first. You can get all fancy and slice it in the shell and stuff if you want, but we'll just do, oh, shabu. Yeah, you can come on in. You can come on in, sorry. Come on in. This Blue Ginger cookbook is the first book I ever owned, cookbook I ever owned, Ming Tsai. And then I was on his show once a few years ago, which was fun and like weird for me to be on like the show of the guy I used to watch. Anyhow, all right, avocado on there. Get some nice flaky sea salt. Some lettuce. This is lettuce fresh from the garden. It's doing quite well this year. In fact, we have too much of it. And nice, juicy tomato. Oof, I need to sharpen my knife. It's been a while. Sorry, Barney, if you're watching these comments or watching this video. I apologize for not sharpening your knife. All right, tomato. Tomato, tomato, salt, of course, as always, direct mayo to tomato contact. We need that tomato layer, which is where the tomato juice mixes in with the mayo. I call it tomato. I just started calling it tomato. And again, of course, triangles taste better. So here we go. The ALT sandwich. Avocado, lettuce, tomato. A super low effort lunch and a super low effort video. Deal with it. All right, bye-bye. Guys, gals, non-binary pals. I'll see you next time. Sorry, I'm back. So I was eating this and I thought to myself, oh, maybe I could add a little bit more to it. So I rummaged around in my fridge. So here's what we got now. We got lots of mayo, onions, pickles, eggs, za'atar, weird one, avocado, lettuce, and tomato. So that's, wait a second. Lots of mayo, onions, pickles, eggs, za'atar, avocado, lettuce, L-O-P-E-Z. What the heck?